Today we are taking a look at Mutineer, a very special 2006 Grand Banks 47 Heritage Europa, and this is the only one available in the Pacific Northwest. So we don't expect her to be available for long. Measuring 46 feet and 10 inches overall, with a 15-foot and 9 inches beam, a 3-foot and 10 inches draft, and a 44-foot waterline, the 47 Heritage Europa is built for stability and efficiency. With cruising speeds around 18 knots, a top speed near 600 gallons of fuel, and a 42,000-pound displacement, she delivers smooth, capable performance with impressive range. And the large aft deck and Flybridge seating provide plenty of outside space. With 2 cabins and 2 heads, you can bring friends or family along for the ride. Some of the features and recent work done as of August 2025 include a yacht controller, new Magnum inverter, new exhaust flanges, bellows and hoses, new bottom paint, new Dometic toilet, and full service on mains and generator. Let's go below deck to take a look at Mutineer from the inside. In the Salon, we have an L-shaped settee with ultra-leather upholstery and slide-out storage underneath with a high-low folding table. An elegant entertainment cabinet with power lift for Panasonic flat-screen television with Bose surround sound stereo system. The Salon also features a yachts stainless clock, barometer, and temperature set. We move over to the galley, and above the counter, we have a sharp carousel microwave and convection oven, combined with a beautiful granite countertop and a nice stainless steel deep single sink with double insert, as well as a Force 10 triple burner propane cooktop for those on board meals. Moving forward to the helm, we have an array of electronics at your disposal, including a Garmin 20-inch MFD screen, which was installed new in 2023. This is paired with a Garmin autopilot and radar, also installed new in 2023. And at your fingertips, there is a Capilano Teleflex hydraulic steering. Let's move down to the master stateroom. In the heart of Mutineer, we have a beautiful island queen berth, with its original framed print mounted on the fabric-covered bulkhead, stainless steel reading lights, and an under-berth bin storage and large drawers. The master head comes with a granite counter and stainless sink, a Dometic vacuum-flush head, and a separate shower stall. On the guest stateroom, we have twin athwartship berths, stainless steel reading lights, with plenty of drawer space under berths, and opening port lights with screens and drapes. The guest and dayhead have a vanity cabinet with a granite counter and stainless sink. It has a separate shower stall, a Dometic vacuum flush head, storage lockers and cabinets, and an opening frosted port light with a screen and blinds. When we step onto the aft deck, we can see plenty of space and a peek at the staircase to the Flybridge that, when lifted, gives access to the engine room. More about that later. And on the sides, we have beautiful stainless steel handrails, great condition decks, with entry gates, port, and starboard. We are then greeted with a great deck box molded in fiberglass, with 2 stainless steel fender holders and teak wood bench seats. And as you can see, Mutineer's main deck welcomes all kinds of visitors. And as we go forward, we see an anchor platform with double stainless steel bow roller with its own self-draining anchor chain locker. And we can also see the foredeck storage lockers, port and starboard. Let's go back to the aft deck using the nice port side walkway. We pass by the Magna stainless barbecue, and then we take the teak wood and stainless clad fiberglass stairs to the Flybridge. On the Flybridge deck, there is a beautiful L-shaped settee with underneath storage, and a Grand Banks tick table with stainless steel pedestal. At the upper helm, there is a Furuno RD30 data display, and a Komnov Navpilot autopilot. And when we turn around, we have a 2014 Highfield tender with a center console station, equipped with a 2015 25 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke outboard engine. And you can bring it down with the compact WD600 electro-hydraulic crane by Steelhead Marine. And if we look up, We can see the foldable canvas bimini top on stainless steel frames, as well as the custom folding stainless arch, with spreader lights and Furuno radar and Seattle satellite domes. Now we go down to the engine room. She has twin Caterpillar C9s diesel engines with 500 horsepower and about 2,600 hours as of March 2026. On the electrical side, she comes with an Onan E-Series 9 kilowatt generator with 1,658 hours as of March 2026. A Max-Q water maker with the industry's only marine-certified HMI PLC touchscreen V4 control system, and easy access to the manifold and breakers. The 47 Heritage Europa is a fast trawler built on a modified V-hull designed by Sparkman and Stevens, capable of reaching up to 25 knots. It stands out for its large covered aft deck, extended flybridge with tender space, and a comfortable two-cabin two-head layout. It's the perfect combination of a classic trawler style with modern performance. If you're looking for a trawler that stands above the rest, this is the one to see. For those who value quality, comfort, and quiet confidence, Mutineer speaks for itself. If you're interested, contact Todd Powell. The information is on the screen. Thank you for watching.